going to learn phonic sounds of a letters. Mama A, baby A. A, say a as an apple on the tree. A, apple. A, arrow. A, ant. A, axe. Mama B, baby B. B, say b as in Bobby's bat and ball. B, bat. B, box. B, ball. B, bus. B, bun. Mama C, baby C. Say k as in curly cat. K, cup. K, cap. K, can. K, cat. K, camel. Mama D, baby D. Say d as in Dolly's drum. D, doll. D, duck. D, dot. D, dam. Mama E, baby E. Say A as in elephant on the engine. A, egg. A, envelope. A, engine. A, elephant. Mama F, baby F. Say f as in a fried fish. Fish. Flower. Feather. Fan. Mama G, baby G. Say g as in Goldie's gun. G, girl. G, grapes. G, gift. G, gas. G, goat. Mama H, baby H. Say h as in Harry's hat. H, hen. H, hammer. H, house. H, hill. H, hut. Mama J, baby J. Say j as in Jelly's jar. J, jug. J, jelly. J, jar. Mama K, baby K. Say k as in Karan's kite. K, king. K, kite. K, key. Mama L, baby L. Say l as in lamb the lion. L, lamb. L, lion. L, lid. L, lollipop. Mama M, baby M. Say as in Mickey the mouse. Man. Monkey. Mat. Mixture. Mama N, baby N. Say as in nightingale's nest. Net. Nail. Nib. Mama O, baby O. Say O as in Olive's orange. O, oil. O, orange. O, ostrich. O, ox. Mama P, baby P. Say p as in Pinky's parrot. P, pin. P, parrot. P, pen. P, pot. Mama Q, baby Q. Say qu as in Queen's quilt. Qu, quail. Qu, quilt. Qu, queen. Mama R, baby R. Say r as in red rose. R, rat. R, rabbit. R, rod. R, ring. Mama S, baby S. Say s as in Sunny's socks. S, swan. S, sun. S, socks. S, soap. Mama T, baby T. Say t T as in Tina study. T tortoise, T table, T top, T tub. Mama you, baby you. Say a as in uncle's umbrella. A umbrella, a urn, a empire. Mama we, baby we. Say v as in Venus when. Vase, vest, vault, when. Mama W, baby W. Say v as in Winnie's watch. Watch, well, water, wax. Mama X, baby X. Say x as in Xavier's xylophone. Xmas tree, x as in fox, x as in box. Mama Y, baby Y. Say y as in yellow yarn. Yarn, yak, yum, yo-yo. Mama Z, baby Z. Say z as in Zelda the zebra. Zero, zip, zebra.
Hey little, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up and share to your friends and family so that they can subscribe my channel. Until next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.